Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace license plate light bulbs Chrysler 300 only way. Start by opening the trunk or liftgate and locating the license plate light housing. Remove the two screws holding the lens, then carefully pull the lens out. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it, swap in the new bulb, test the light, and reinstall the socket and lens securely. Gather your tools and safety gear while keeping the new bulb handy. A Phillips screwdriver and a compatible replacement bulb will usually do the job. If you prefer extra caution, disconnect the battery or at least ensure the lights are off. Position a soft cloth to catch screws and parts, and wear gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Work methodically so you can reverse the steps easily when finished. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bring your workspace to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music or voice guidance while you tinker. I've linked a recommended model in the description along with other deals, so check that out if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start removal by unscrewing the two screws on the lens cover and place them on a cloth. Gently pull the lens straight out to reveal the bulb socket and avoid forcing the plastic. Twist the socket counterclockwise to free it, then pull the old bulb straight out. Inspect the socket for corrosion or damage and clean if needed. These careful steps will keep the housing intact and make reassembly straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.